what we're doing here, we're taking 2 new 40-foot containers, half.
Yeah.
We're going to take half and put half on each one of those to make an 8-footer to 12 foot.
Wow. All right, so what Terry just told us is that we're going to reinforce the bottom rail on both of these containers, take off the side panel, and then attach half
of another container we've cut lengthwise
to make they're 40-footers, 40-foot high cubes.
Right. Instead of maybe 8 by 4, it's going to be 12 by 4.
You're right. So we'll have 2 40-foot high cubes that are 12 feet wide. That is a pretty cool little project.
You can see the end result over here.
Okay. So let's see what a 12-foot wide container looks like inside. Pretty nice. So if we look, this is where they've been joined. So this is kind of the next step in the process here.
What we've done is we've studded the interior, metal studs, drywall insulated it.
And are these going to be temperature controlled at all?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're working on the electrical as well. So we've got a bunch of containers at different steps in the process. And is that intentional, or is that just kind of how it shakes out?
That's how it just shook out. We have different orders.
Right. So you can see the lighting here. And that's just going to be like standard tube LED lights.
Well, no, they're explosion proof. C1D1 rated fixtures.
Explosion proof? Mm-hmm. I like this siding and the ceiling. It's really clean.
It is.
And you can imagine it would be easy to keep clean. And then you can see kind of the louvered vents on the inside here. Very cool. Okay, next step. Starting to see some wiring here. Got the lights installed, yeah? Outlets. And then I see that so that's finished. That's and then behind those are those slats that we just saw in the other one. Great. What else with that? Lights. Explosion-proof light bulbs. I don't know, where do you get some of those? Pretty hefty ducting here. It's the outside of those fence that we're right there. So those will eventually look like that. Okay, we're locked out. There's with the door installed. All right, we got the key so we can get into this thing. You can see it's like an epoxy flooring. Looks really nice. With these side panels and ceiling, everything just looks really clean. You almost forget that you're in a container.
Yeah. Doesn't look like a container at all.
Not at all.
And the flooring, it's rolled on, and then we put a color slate on it.
If you're thinking about using containers in your next project or have always dreamed of living in a container home, give us a call at our toll-free number, 800-255-4835. Our team of container experts will know if containers are the right choice for your project. We love talking containers and would be happy to help however we can.
We'll be right back.